Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust volume and sound settings on Apple Watch Ultra 3. To change the sound volume of media playback, you have to press the side button to open the control center, then using the digital crown, scroll down to the speaker icon and tap on it. Now by moving this bar, you can change the sound volume for media playback on your Apple Watch. And if you want to change the sound settings for alerts and ringer, to do that, press the digital crown to open the list of all apps, then scroll down to the settings app, and once you find it, tap on it to open. Next, scroll down to Sound and Haptics, and once you find this option, tap on it. And now to adjust the volume manually, you have to switch this toggle to the left and then change the volume for sound volume for ringtone and alerts by either moving your digital crown or by tapping one of these two icons to either decrease or increase your sound volume. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.